Welcome to Chris's Tech Tips. Today we're going to talk about a XYCOM replacement monitor. This particular LCD is for the XYCOM 9450 and 9403 controller. As you see, it's a very unique shape where the XYCOM 9450 has a computer that goes right here, and the 9403 it's as this is with a front plate on the front. It has a nice LCD replacement for the XYCOM 9450 and 9403. There's two ways of purchasing it. You can purchase it so you can reuse the original XYCOM frame, and you just get the front portion here and you bolt it onto the original frame. Or they also have an option to be able to supply the whole thing with the ability to hook up any extra mouse or any other features that come with your specific XYCOM model. The replacement monitor has a lot of plug-and-play features where there's 4 screws that around the side that are removable. The whole monitor moves out, and this new monitor slides right in. It's very simple, straightforward. If you know how to use a screwdriver, you know how to install the monitor. And the power, the video plug, the power plug are exactly the same as the original. They mount the same. They come out the back, cable tied, nice and simple, nice package. It's a very economical solution. The original manufacturer charges around $3,000. Ours is significantly less. It's kind of hard to believe that much money for a monitor. Is it really worth it? Some might say yes, and others will say, well, let's see if we can get a better price somewhere else. And that's what does this, providing aftermarket solutions for your replacement monitor needs. Pull out your old monitor, push in the new one. It's 4 screws, the whole monitor comes out. And 4 screws, the monitor goes back in. And that's it for, this is Chris's Tech Tips, and I'll talk to you later.